Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Sportage X. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 181 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.